the question we have velocity of particle A is equal to 20 meter per second in northwest direction. Velocity of particle B is 15 meter per second in the northeast direction. We need to find velocity of particle B with respect to A. We need to find the magnitude of particle B. We need to find the magnitude of velocity of particle B with respect to A. These are given and we need to find this. So let's plot it. This is east, this is west, this is north and this is south. This can also be positive x-axis. This can also be positive x-axis. This is positive y-axis. This is negative x-axis and this is negative y-axis. So velocity of particle A is equal to 20 meter per second in the northwest direction. So this is northwest direction. So this is northwest direction. This is velocity of particle A, which is equal to 20 meter per second. It makes, as it is exactly in the northwest direction, it makes 45 degrees with the x-axis. It also makes 45 degrees with y-axis. Now velocity of particle B. It is in northeast direction, so it lies over here. So it is also exactly in northeast direction. So it also makes exactly 45 degrees with x-axis and it also makes 45 degrees with y-axis. So let's split velocity of particle A in x-axis and y-axis. So velocity of particle A, that is 20. So velocity of particle A in x direction, we will take it as VAX is 20 cos theta. As it is along negative x-axis, as it is along negative x-axis, we should put minus I cap. And velocity of particle A in y direction. In velocity of particle A in y-axis, that is 20 sin theta plus j, because it is in positive y-axis. Now velocity of particle B in x-axis is 15 cos theta I cap, because it is in positive x-axis. Velocity of particle B in y-axis is 15 sin theta j cap. It is in positive y-axis. So total velocity of particle A is velocity of particle A in x direction plus velocity of particle A in y direction. We know theta is 45. It makes 45 degrees with x-axis. So velocity of particle A is equal to 20 cos theta minus I cap plus 20 sin theta j cap. We know theta is 45 degrees. So 20 cos 45 in minus x-axis plus 20 sin 45 in positive y-axis, that is j cap. Now we'll see for velocity of particle B. So total velocity of particle B is velocity of particle B in x-axis plus velocity of particle B in y-axis. So velocity of particle B is equal to 15 cos theta I cap plus 15 cos theta j cap plus 15 sin theta plus 15 sin theta j cap. Here also it makes 45 degrees with the x-axis. So 15 cos 45 I cap plus 15 sin 45 j cap. Now we need to find the velocity of particle B with respect to A. So that is VB minus VA. So that is velocity of particle B is 15 cos 45 I cap plus 15 sin 45 j cap minus velocity of particle A, that is 20 cos 45 minus I cap plus 20 sine 45 j cap. So that is 15 cos 45 I cap plus 15 sine 45 j cap. So this is minus of minus, so which is plus 20 cos 45 I cap minus of plus minus. So that is 20 sine 45 j cap. So we have I cap term. So this is the I cap term and this is the other I cap term. So 15 cos 45 I cap plus 20 cos 45 plus 20 cos 45 j cap. Again plus 20 cos 45 I cap. And now j cap terms, that is 15 sine 45 j cap minus 20 sine 45 j cap. So plus 15 cos 45 I cap plus 20 cos 45 I cap, that is 35 cos 45 I cap. This is plus 15 sine 45 j cap minus 20 sine 45 j cap. So that is minus 5 sine 45 j cap. We had 35 cos 45 I cap minus 5 sine 45 j cap. So 35 cos 45 is 1 by root 2 I cap minus 5 sine 45 is also 1 by root 2 j cap. From this we'll take 1 by root 2 common. So 35 I cap minus 5 j cap. We need to find the magnitude of velocity of B with respect to A. So this is the velocity in x-axis, this is the velocity in y-axis. So magnitude of velocity of particle B with respect to A is root of velocity in x direction square plus velocity in y direction square. So that is 1 by root 2 into root of 35 square plus 5 square. So that is 1 by root 2 root of 35 square is 1225 plus 5 square is 25. So 1 by root 2 square root of 1225 plus 25 is 1250. So that is 1 by root 2. 1250 can be written as 25 into 25 into 2. So 1 by root 2. 25 into 25 is 25 square. So square root of 25 square is 25 into root 2. So root 2 and root 2 will get cancelled. So magnitude of velocity of particle B with respect to A is 25 meter per second. So the option is, therefore the option is A.